Ever hit send on that important email, check another item off your to-do list, and feel absolutely nothing? That hollow, what's the point? Feeling that crashes into your productivity high like an uninvited existential party crasher. You're crushing it. At what exactly? This isn't just some random Tuesday mood swing. It's what happens when your achievement engine and your meaning compass stop talking to each other. I'll call it the Purpose Pendulum. The Purpose Pendulum goes something like this. Monday, crushing goals. Tuesday, questioning existence. Wednesday, back to spreadsheets. Thursday, researching monasteries. It's exhausting, even for me. If you've ever refreshed your LinkedIn profile while secretly fantasizing about burning your laptop and starting a goat farm in Portugal, congratulations, you're caught in the swing. Not that I spent 3 a.m. Googling goat farming for beginners or anything. Let me introduce you to someone who might look eerily familiar. This is the Mindless Magpie. Smart, fast, and absolutely obsessed with collecting shiny things. Metrics, praise, awards, LinkedIn endorsements, Instagram likes. If it glitters with external validation, this bird wants it in its nest. The magpie flies at breakneck speed in whatever direction the next shiny thing appears. His internal compass completely busted. Magpie must get more shiny things. Oh look, a new certification program and a leadership award nomination. And wait, why do I feel empty inside? No time to think about that. More shinies. I know this bird intimately because I've been him. 2 years ago, I built an impressive business that checked all the success boxes. Revenue, growing, team, expanding, status, rising. Just one tiny problem. I woke up every morning with what I can only describe as soul-level dread. My body was literally rejecting my success. Classic magpie move. The dopamine hit that success gives you can be like a drug dealer, leading you down paths that are not fulfilling. Psst, hated. Want a hit of achievement? First one's free. Just hit this quarterly target and you'll feel amazing for about 37 minutes. Then you'll need a bigger hit, and bigger, and bigger. This isn't just some fluffy self-help concept. There's hardcore neuroscience behind why we get stuck in this cycle. Dr. Robert Sapolsky at Stanford found that dopamine, that delicious brain chemical, responds to novelty and achievement, but adapts with brutal efficiency. Your brain literally rewires itself to make yesterday's accomplishments feel like nothing. Psychologists call this the hedonic treadmill, the frustrating reality that your brain treats external success like a drug it quickly develops tolerance to. It becomes like a dragon of distraction. Run faster, more awards, bigger house, fancier title. Why aren't you happy yet? This is why lottery winners return to baseline happiness within months, and why that promotion feels amazing for exactly 11 days before you're back to scrolling job listings during meetings. The research from Ryan and Deci on self-determination theory shows humans need 3 things to feel genuinely motivated. Autonomy, control over your choices. Mastery, getting better at stuff. Purpose, feeling your actions matter. When we chase external validation without that purpose piece, we're basically driving with a missing wheel. The ride gets bumpy fast, and we easily lose our focus, chasing whatever shiny thing catches our eye. This is where your focus night comes in, to fight the dragon of distraction. Hold up, I sense a purpose misalignment. Oh great, it's a buzzkill a lot. We were having fun collecting shiny things. Focus night. Were you though? Let's check for symptoms of Purpose Pendulum syndrome. Constantly busy but secretly unfulfilled? Reluctantly. Check. Chasing external wins but feeling no internal spark. Check. Secretly envying people doing less but more aligned work. I don't envy that guy who quit to teach surfing. I just follow his Instagram obsessively. And finally, daydreaming about burning it all down and starting fresh somewhere else. Fine. Check. Happy now? Not about your suffering, no. But I do have a solution. This purpose problem isn't new. Humans have been wrestling with it since we evolved beyond basic survival. Viktor Frankl, Holocaust survivor and psychologist, discovered something profound in concentration camps. People who maintained a sense of purpose, even in unimaginable conditions, had significantly higher survival rates. His research showed that meaning isn't a luxury. It's as essential as water, just less obvious when you're dehydrated. So, how do we fix this? How do we realign our actions with actual meaning? Behold, the path check-in, your 4-step reality check when the purpose pendulum starts swinging wildly. P stands for personal meaning. Does this connect to what actually matters to you? Like when I took that prestigious knight position in the King's Guard because it sounded impressive, but realized I actually wanted to help regular villagers solve everyday problems. Sounds small, but felt huge. A is for authenticity. Are you doing this to impress others, or because it genuinely lights you up? This is where your inner peacock, the part of you that wants to impress others, asks, but if I don't impress everyone, who am I? That's exactly the question you need to answer for yourself. Think back to the last time you spent precious time on a piece of work that everyone praised, but left you feeling hollow. If you spend your life on stuff you don't believe in, it won't matter how amazing that stuff is or how many people admire it. T means trajectory. Where does this path actually lead? Is it building the life you want? Like when I realized my so-called impressive career path was leading to a corner office with a great view, but zero time to see my family or pursue my passion for helping others. And H is the heart check. How does this feel in your body? That gut feeling that knows before your brain catches up. Like that stomach clench when you agree to another project you don't care about, or that lightness when you're doing work that matters. The mindless magpie inside of you will ask, but what about all the shiny things? Won't I fall behind if I don't chase them? And that's where the compass crow comes in. The compass crow is just the magpie who knows its true north purpose, and who has stopped flying in circles. No matter how winding the path, the compass crow flies straight to its goal, and others can follow, pursuing a path as the crow flies.
Imagine a discussion between your inner magpie and your compass crow.
I was the magpie once, chasing every shiny thing, building an impressive nest that felt empty. The transformation wasn't overnight. When you decide to live with purpose, it can start with tiny shifts, maybe spending 30 minutes each morning on a project you actually care about, or having one honest conversation with your boss about work that energizes you, or saying no to an impressive opportunity that makes you uncomfortable because something about it doesn't align with what you value. And if it doesn't align, ditch it or redesign it. So here's your challenge for this week. Pick one project, task, or meeting and run it through the path filter: personal meaning, authenticity, trajectory, heart check. You don't have to overhaul your life. Just one path-aligned choice a day is enough to start swinging your pendulum back toward meaning. You'll know you're on the right track when the wins feel less hollow, the losses sting less, and the pendulum swings with a little more grace. And that's when the real magic begins. As the magpie learns to become the crow, the pendulum swings less violently. The path becomes clearer. The shiny things lose their grip. Success without purpose is just glorified busy work. And you, my friend, were made for more than that. So, are you done being a magpie? Is this has provided a lump to your feet? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you want to find more about tackling the dopamine dealer and the distraction dragon, try this video here.